Anyone who's ever left a bicycle out in the rain knows about rust. Well, I'm told it's actually called oxidation. Dr. Carolyn Morocco is here today to explain this process, but more importantly, help us to understand how antioxidants can be used to minimize the detrimental effects of oxidation. Welcome to the show, Dr. Morocco.
It's good to be here.
So, what exactly is oxidation and how can we avoid it?
Well, oxidation happens naturally. When it attacks metals, we call it rust. When it occurs in food, we call it rot or decay. In our bodies, oxidation happens as we create energy, but it does have byproducts, most notably damaging free radicals.
Free radicals are a part of the oxidation process?
Yes. Generally, molecules have an equal number of electrons and are balanced. But if one of those electrons is lost through oxidation, then it becomes unbalanced and starts stealing from healthy cells to replace the missing electron. This creates free radicals, which can lead to cell and tissue damage. And free radicals are everywhere. But today, our bodies are bombarded with so many external toxic influences like pollution, drugs, the chemicals in processed foods. And the damage caused by free radicals is frequently accelerated to the point that fatigue and even life-threatening disease are often the result. Even exercise can speed up the creation of free radicals, increasing the possibility of cellular injury.
Dr. Morocco, thanks so much for sharing this amazing demonstration.
It's my pleasure.
Here's wishing you a longer, healthier life. See you on the next episode of Health Watch.
ほとんどすべての病気に活性酸素が関与しているとされます。まず活性酸素を理解しましょ
う。老化には細胞の中のミトコンドリアが深く関わっています。ミトコンドリアはブドウ糖などからエネルギーを作り出す器官です。この時、活性酸素と呼ばれる有害な副産物ができてしまいます。活性酸素は細胞の中の様々なものを攻撃し、損傷を与えます。あるものは核の中の DNA を傷つけてしまいます。がんはこうした DNA が傷ついた細胞が増殖して起こると考えられています。傷ついた細胞の多くはがん細胞になるのを防ぐため自ら死んでいきます。すると細胞分裂によって新しい細胞が補われますが、その能力は次第に衰えていきます。これが老化の始まりです。細胞が減っていくと様々な臓器の萎縮などが起き、機能が衰えていきます。老化とはこの一連のプロセスなのです。さらに活性酸素は血管も老化させます。その結果起きるのが動脈硬化です。動脈硬化は心臓病や脳卒中の最大の原因となります。心臓病、がん、脳卒中はアメリカや日本など多くの先進国の三大死因。
After a long period of evolution, today's environment on Earth consists of water, air, soil, animals, planets, and microorganisms. We all know that the resources of life are significantly related to how the universe was formed. It is generally believed that a human's life process encompasses birth, aging, illness, and death. That is wrong, because there is a difference between what we think and the facts. We can actually be healthy forever and don't have to go through the sickness and aging process. We believe that for humans to survive, we need to have sun, air, water, food, and exercise. With all those conditions met, we should grow healthy and naturally. Wrong. Even though these elements do help us to live and grow, they can't help us avoid sickness, deterioration, or aging. Why? Oxygen is the most important element for our bodies. Without oxygen, humankind can't survive. Oxygen produces 2% of activated oxygen within our body. According to recent medical research, the main cause of overaging, unhealthiness, and disease comes from activated oxygen. Activated oxygen sabotages normal cells within the body, causing various diseases to occur. It's most commonly seen in deep-fried food. If you leave deep-fried food for a period of time, the fat within the food will oxidize due to the activated oxygen and become toxic and inedible. Activated oxygen in the human body is the cause of all diseases. Why are people afflicted by chronic diseases related to activated oxygen? Which is more important, health or wealth? Or can you have both? We only know that oxygen exists in the air and is important to life. But little did we know that hydrogen is much more important to life than oxygen. Hydrogen is the smallest element known in the universe. All living organisms have to utilize it to maintain their lives. Hydrogen is the key to life, death, and aging. Without it, there would not be life on Earth. It is a source of fuel and energy for the human body. It can decide the health conditions for energy and each cell within the human body.
I discovered the negative hydrogen ion in 1983 when I was researching healing properties of water from around the world. And then I discovered that it was present in the fresh fluids, in the living fluids of all living organisms.
Hydrogen is the purest and the most common chemical element on Earth. It takes up 63% of the elements existing in the human body, and it's also the human body's most important and purest source of energy. Because it turns into water after combustion, hydrogen is hailed as an eco-savior and offers new possibilities for human health. Hydrogen widely exists in nature, and water is a means of storage for it. When hydrogen and oxygen are combined, it nourishes the lives of a large amount of living species. So we commonly say that water is the source of life, and that it is composed of H2O. In terms of percentage, water is 11% hydrogen, so the importance to life can be seen. However, to most people, negative hydrogen is a completely unfamiliar noun. So, what is negative hydrogen?
The negative hydrogen ion is actually a hydrogen atom that has taken on an extra electron. And the extra electron is of the exact potential of the electrons used in all biochemical processes in all living organisms. It also protects all living organisms from harmful free radicals.
Hydrogen ions exist everywhere around us. For example, they can be found in running water and in most fresh fruits and vegetables. They can even be found in the cells of each of our body's systems, especially in the liver, intestines, kidney, heart, and lungs.
活性水素。通常水素は水素原子、つまり H が2つ結合した分子状態で存在しており、その結合はめったに離れることはない。しかし白畑教授によれば、稀にその結合が解かれ、原子が単独で存在するケースがあるという。この単独の水素原子が活性水素と呼ばれているものである。では果たしてこの活性水素は人体にどのような影響を与えるのだろうか。
活性水素は近年さまざまな病気の予防や治療に効果があることが分かりました。活性水素はさまざまな病気の原因となる活性酸素と反応し、水となることで活性酸素の毒性をなくしてしまうと考えられます。
活性酸素は先ほどご紹介した活性水素と全く性質が異なり、別名毒性酸素とも呼ばれ、その強い酸化力から正常な細胞を次々と破壊し、さまざまな病気を引き起こす原因となっていると考えられている。この活性酸素は細胞が我々に必要なエネルギーを作り出す時や人体がストレスを感じた時などに発生する。こうして発生した活性酸素は通常の酸素より電子が1つ多いので不安定な状態となり、電子の数を安定させようとさらに体内の正常な細胞から電子を奪おうとするのだ。そして電子を奪われた細胞は正常な活動をすることができなくなってしまい、やがて死滅してしまうのである。ところが白畑教授によると、体内に活性水素が豊富にあれば有害な活性酸素はちょうど一つだけ電子を持っている活性水素と結びついて無害な水になり体外へ排出されていくのだという。